Here's a side hustle that you can do and make $192 an hour using just ChatGPT. And no one is even talking about this. Make sure to save this video for later. Head over to textbroker.com and you're just going to go over to I write content and you're going to click on payment. And as you can see here, Textbroker will pay you $192 for 12,000 words. So next you're going to head over to chat.openai.com and you're just going to sign up for free. Next, all I did is asked it to write me a 2,000 word essay on the history of America. And as you can see here, it just starts writing and I didn't even need to do a thing. Next, you're going to go over to word counter, copy and paste the word just to make sure that there's no grammar mistakes and it meets all the requirements. Now you're left with a high quality copy that you can just go and copy and paste back into Textbroker. It's as easy as that. You tell it what to write, it writes it, and you get paid for it. If you like this side hustle, make sure to follow me for more tips. And if you want to know another way how ordinary people like you and I are making 5 figures per month from home, then DM me the word ready and I'll send you my free guide.